Trying out some
candy. Estonian candy.
Kasekamp.
Told that this is birch tree flavored. Kasekamp. It looks like a log. Very fitting. As a batuni.
I'm scared.
It's like a fudge.
I will finish it because I thought it was just so wonderful. That was just, it was my cup of tea, you know what I mean? I loved it.
Now I'm going to try pilvike. Pilvike. Pilvike.
You're gonna try this.
Pilveke.
Pilveke, that's what it's called.
Pilveke, is that right?
Pilvike. It's not chocolate.
It kind of tastes like a cake.
If you were to mix butter, sugar,
It
that's
also
it.
tastes sort of like nutty.
It's like a cracker, but it like in this form.
I feel like I'm eating like Play-Doh or something.
It's like this at a store, like without the wrapper. I would think that this is like modeling clay. Like it looks like modeling clay.
Package overall, it was great.
Packaging is great.
It's quite good.
Mayuspella. Mayuspella. By Kalev or Kalev.
Has a bird on it.
Mayuspella. Does it taste like chicken?
It has a chicken on it.
Really bright. As I can tell. Ugh.
Oh.
Not.
Strong rum taste.
It's good.
Taste was bad. Aftertaste still bad. Can taste it in my mouth.
This is Tallinn. Tallinn?
Actually, I know that Tallinn is the main city, capital city of Estonia.
A little bit of better version of a Kit Kat, you know what I'm saying?
This tastes a lot like a coffee crisp. Yeah.
A 10 out of 10, favorite one overall.
The aftertaste is actually really good. Yeah, 10 out of 10.
Now I'm gonna try tamu.
Tom. It sounds like a name.
Like I actually don't like chocolate, but this is actually really good. Yeah.
It tastes like kind of like chocolate jam.
Kirju Korer.
Goer.
Heard you, Coer.
Looks like this. They all look the same.
Your dummy things that stick to your teeth.
It looks like it came out of this dog.
If you look at
It's
the
like someone
package,
took a perfectly good chocolate and stuck jelly in it and then just poured a bunch of alcohol in it. There's a
taste
dog on it.
Tina.
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 Tina with
Tina! Oh.
What is this? Why does it taste sour?
Rum flavored jelly candy. You know what? I think that describes it perfectly.
What is this?
It's so weird.
It tastes like something you're not supposed to eat.
I think it's my favorite one. Really? Cap. Again by Kalev because they're all by the same brand.
I think
Monus manus. No, there's no N.
Monus. Monus Maus. Monus.
Yeah.
It's a messy cat.
No, it's Monus. Meows.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh!
It's like a wet corn pop.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like chewy. Not
like
my
that
cup
one
of tea. It's like the texture of stale popcorn. You know when it's like chewy?
Maybe you left it in milk for like a little too long overnight.
Oh my gosh, it smells like blueberry bagels.
There's like little balls at the bottom.
It did taste like blueberries.
I like that one.
Yeah.
I love this. I like that one.
Yeah, that was a great candy right there. I enjoyed it. Well, actually,
I would
aftertaste is like it goes downhill, but
10 out of 10. I like this a lot.
Ananas.
Well, you can see from the
Ananas?
picture.
Oh! Pineapples. Ananas.
Okay, I'll try this one. It's like a pineapple.
A rectangle bar that's covered in chocolate.
It's kind of like a vanilla marshmallow, but like, ooh, there's like wafers, and for some reason it kind of tastes like strawberry.
So this is kale, or gumma.
This has gama in it.
Here.
You know what it smells like? Those scented pencil crayons. But it tastes good. I really like it. It does smell weird.
It's like milk chocolate, but it also tastes like coffee.
It tastes like nothing.
Whoa!
Yeah, it doesn't really have a flavor, does it?
It does taste a little bit strange. Yeah.
It's very weird. I did not expect that.
It has like coffee or something. It tastes like a coffee shop.
Kalev, messy calf. Messy calf. Calio, messy calf.
It's got smiling bear, yellow, red, nice colors.
Messy cat.
It looks like this again.
The bear looks like it's like, eat me! It's very welcoming.
It's kind of like a Kit Kat or coffee crisp. Coffee crisp.
This is another type of crunchy. Like here, the crunchiness, it's kind of like a wet crunchy. But this is like super crunchy.
It's good. I like this one a lot.